You can't tell what I'm taking a picture of. Everything's one color. Good Lord. You can't see our steps. Oh, this is bad, and it's still snowing. There's our neighbor over there shoveling.
Hey.
I think it might be futile at the moment. God. I was shoveling.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well.
Look at that. We got drifts almost fence high. Cause what'd you do? Shovel it into the yard from the driveway.
Some of it.
Yeah, I had to go somewhere. God. If it was windy, we could have drifts over your head. Easy. This is... I opened the door as much as I could. Top of my car, got about a foot of snow on top. Neighborhood, my neighbor outside shoveling. Snow on me. Alright, stupid ass dogs. Got all excited because the door.
Yep.
I opened the door. Oh, let's get all worked up about it. Somebody went outside. Who's this? Over here. Ain't safe for man or beast out here. Tim's been very busy. He made a path out to the fish pond. Not that you can tell, but it's there. I'd say the snow on the path is... wow, it's just incredible. We're getting a lot of freaking snow. Quit peeing on my deck. No, it's not better than peeing on the house. Make my deck stink and I'll have to tear up the wood on this one. Well, I think we're going to get every single bit of that 2 feet they talked about. Whew. What a mess.